Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching us from. Um, One of our students called and said I should drop a video on how to test a solar panel using multimeter, the voltage of the solar panel. We have with us our, this is 200 watts monocle solar, and we have, that is the solar panel, and we have the solar, the parameters of the solar panel. This photovoltaic module, which is the maximum power voltage, which is the P max, also 200 watts. And also here we have our digital multimeter. This is a digital multimeter, and we have to take this digital multimeter to DC because the voltage might be above higher, so we have to put it to DC. So as you can see, this is our multimeter. So we have to turn the multimeter to 200. Okay, it's on 200 now. So you can now test the parameters of the solar panel. So this is the solar panel. Yeah, this is the main port of the solar panel. This main port represents the positive side, and this one is the female port, which represents the negative of the solar panel. So I'm going to bring the screen closer so that you see the parameters of this solar panel. So I have to take our probe, our negative and positive, down. Oh, okay, here is the flare. So we have to take our positive probe, then insert it on the positive terminal of the solar panel, then the negative probe, then we take our reading. Now, but before testing this solar panel, you must first of all set this solar panel, place it on the sun like this, so that the panel faces the sun. Let's still take the reading while the solar panel is facing the sun. So we have our reading at 1.7 volts. So we have our maximum, we have our maximum power voltage, that is VMP, to be 18 volts. Wow. Then we have our open circuit voltage to be 21 volts. That is the parameter of the solar panel. I can see the solar panel is facing the sun.